Floyd Mayweather is coming over Tuesday or any time this week for some business matters, but he might end up closing a deal with Manny Pacquiao regarding a planned rematch in December. Mayweather, who called out Pacquiao when they bumped into each other in Tokyo over the weekend, is flying in to do business, according to Bulletin sources with knowledge of the U.S. fighter's visit. In Tokyo last Saturday, Mayweather taunted Pacquiao, whom he beat on points in May 2015, and declared that he will be coming out of retirement to face the Filipino star in December. Mayweather, 41, insists that a second meeting with Pacquiao, who turns 40 on December 17, would be another blockbuster event. Pacquiao warmly welcomed the idea of a rematch, saying during the brief encounter with Mayweather that he is eager to put his world welter belt on the line and deal Mayweather his first loss in 51 fights. Pacquiao fought with an injured right shoulder, and the pain prevented him from pushing himself to the limit. Pacquiao underwent surgery 2 days after the fight to have it fixed. With 2 good hands, Pacquiao insists he will become the first one to out a blemish on Mayweather's pristine record.